Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the Philippines in the year 2026, a nation that is dealing with complex international dynamics while trying to establish better foundation within their own country. At this point, the nation is at crossroads that will determine its future. In 2026, the Philippines finds itself a critical juncture being drawn between the forces of the world and the challenges within its own borders that demand prudent and strategic decision making. Under the leadership of Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the country is seeking to strike a balance that is both delicate and challenging to maintain a robust international relationship while pursuing an ambitious domestic agenda. Government is working to ensure the protection of the country by forging ahead with its international partnership while investigating heavily in infrastructure, technology, and future growth. At its core, the Philippines is seeking to become a modern and exclusively society that is economically strong, regionally secure, and welcoming to all. The Philippines' foreign policy has evolved to become more cooperative and diplomatic. With its independent foreign policy, the Philippines is seeking to have amicable relations with all other countries without any conflict. One of its key tenets is its enhanced relationship with the United States through the 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty and the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, which provide enhanced security as tensions escalate in the West Philippine Sea in 2026. The Philippines has furthered its regional security role by joining the SWAT, a strategic partnership with the United States, Japan, and Australia. This group seeks to work together to advance stability, prevent aggression in contested waters, and support a rules-based order in partnership with shared responsibility for peace in the region.